Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to check the history of your Instagram bio changes, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to see what you wrote in your bio a few months ago, or just keep track of updates over time. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to view your bio change history on Instagram, all within the app and without any third-party tools. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. A menu will slide out from the side. Here, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you do on your account, from posts you've liked to changes you've made. Next, scroll down and tap on Account History. This is where things get interesting. Account history shows a timeline of every major change you've made to your account, including your username, email, and of course, your bio. To narrow it down to just your bio changes, tap on Filter by Updated Type at the top of the screen. A list of different changes will appear. Select Bio from the list. This tells Instagram to only show you the times you've updated your bio. Finally, tap on Apply to confirm your filter. Now, you'll see a list of every time you've changed your Instagram bio, along with the dates. You can scroll through and see exactly what your bio looked like at each update. And that's it. You now know how to view your Instagram bio change history. This is a great way to keep track of your personal brand, revisit old bios, or just satisfy your curiosity about your account's evolution. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for mastering Instagram. Thanks for watching.